Mortgage rates are starting off the week by holding close to the levels they rose to after Friday's strong monthly jobs report. This week, we've got several important economic reports that investors will have their eye on. First up is a string of inflation data with Consumer Prices Index on Tuesday, followed by producer prices and retail sales on Wednesday. After that, Friday is a big day with housing and manufacturing data. If the reports come in as strong as analysts are expecting, we could see some steady upward pressure on mortgage rates throughout the week. Long-term rates are still expected to rise significantly, so if you're looking to purchase or refinance, our recommendation is to lock soon. Visit totalmortgage.com today for a personalized rate quote or for more information on current mortgage rates. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the most up-to-date market outlook from Total Mortgage.